Catholic Church Bishop warns families about fraudsters aiming to trap young women and girls. The bishop has issued a circular warning the families in the church about the alleged fraudsters aiming to deceive young women and girls. In the circular issued on 28th of August addressing the parish priests, Bishop warned that various sections and groups are trying to trap young girls. That's the latest coming in right there. The love trap of Kerala on your screens right now. That's the breaking news coming in. Gopi will be joining us in just about a bit to join us with the latest that is coming in as far as the Catholic Church Bishop's warning is concerned about fraudsters aiming to trap young women and girls. Gopi is now joining us. Gopi, what is the warning? Walk our viewers through the complete warning that is coming in from the Catholic Church Bishop.
Well, Teddy, the Catholic Church has now issued a circular to the parish members of that particular church, issuing a warning basically against fraudsters who are trying to portray themselves as former priests in a particular church. So the modus operandi, according to this circular, is that there are several people who would make calls to a particular parish from international numbers, and they would post themselves as a former priest in that particular parish. And from there, they would ask for the numbers of young children, mostly students, over college students, and they would say that this is for the purpose of a research. They are presenting a particular paper in a university abroad, and they wanted some research, some inputs from students who are actually doing research, is what they would say. And after that, after getting these numbers, they would actually make conversations with these young children and women. And at times, there have been reports and there have been some instances which the circular and the church claims that these conversations and interactions have gone way too far. Now, this particular circular is issuing a warning, not just to the parish, but also to the members to be very cautious about such interactions and such communications which can come from these potential fraudsters in this issue.
All right, so that's the warning coming in. Gopi is getting us all the very latest details. Catholic Church Bishop warns about families about love trap. We're going to be coming back to the story in just about a bit. In the meanwhile, let's get you the COVID tracker as India battles coronavirus. As you already know, Kerala is the hotbed of COVID. Let's get you all the latest details.